Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February 26th, 2026, and I'm sowing my eggplant seeds here. And I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and you want to start these about 8 to 12 weeks before your last frost. Now we can plan out, and it's supposed to be after Mother's Day. So I'm getting these started now because these can take up to a month to germinate. So we're just going through and getting these planted here. Some will come up faster, some will take a while. And the variety that I'm growing this year is a variety called Ping Tongue, and it is a long type. It's not one of the round ones, it's a more long type. And it is really delicious. It's really sweet. It's an heirloom variety. It is the only variety that I am growing this year because I want to save the seeds from it. So I'm just going to press these seeds here into the soil surface. I'm not covering these at all. And we're just going to get a gentle mist spray over these to get them nice and moist. Now, eggplant seeds need it really hot to germinate. They can be quite difficult to get them to germinate. So you want to make sure that you have them on a heat mat. So that they reach the required temperature that they need. So we're going to get these put down then on the heated floor. We're going to get a covering over them. And we're going to check them every single day to make sure that they're not drying out. Okay, so I put this down here on the floor, and I have a loose fitting lid on it with a gap here for airspace because your seeds need oxygen to germinate. So we're going to wait for these here to germinate. Okay, so today is March the 12th, 2026, and the eggplant seeds here have started sprouting. I'm going to be taking some of these out here and putting them up on the shelf in the greenhouse. Okay, so I took these out and I put these up on the shelf in the greenhouse here so that they do not grow tall and spindly. They already got a little taller than what I had wanted them to get. But as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more video updates on them. I do have a lot of videos on my channel for growing eggplants, including this variety here. So I'll have some links at the end of this video that you can check out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button to tell you to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.